Hole in the Ground is a volcanic explosion crater, or MAR, located in central Oregon on the edge of Fort Rock Basin. A lake occupied most of this basin at the time the crater was formed between 13 and 18,000 years ago. The site of the eruption happened to be close to the water level near the shore. The crater was formed in a few days or weeks by a series of explosions that were triggered when basaltic magma rose along a northwest trending fissure and came into contact with abundant groundwater at a depth of 300 to 500 meters. After the initial explosion, repeated slumping and subsidence along a ring fault led to intermittent closures of the vent, changes in the water supply, and repeated accumulations of pressure in the pipe. 4 major explosive events resulted from pressures of over 7,000 pounds per square inch in the orifice of the vent. The seismic events that must have accompanied these explosions had a magnitude of about 5. Rock fragments 10 centimeters in size were thrown to heights of 2 to 3 kilometers. The eruption cloud may have reached 5 kilometers or more. Blocks as large as 8 meters in size were flung as far as 3.7 kilometers from the crater. The crater is now 112 to 156 meters below the original ground level and is surrounded by a rim that rises another 35 to 65 meters higher. It is about 1,600 meters, which is about a mile across, and a little longer than north-south than to east and west. Geophysical measurements indicate a dome-like intrusion below the crater floor and extending upward as a ring dike around the margins of the crater.